Welcome back to Azzadous Studios. I hope you're having a productive week. Today we're going to take a look at part 3 of my mixing series where we're going to add some finishing touches to the track. If you like this video, please like and share, and remember to subscribe and ring the bell to keep to date with future videos. Also a massive thank you to everyone that's subscribed. The channel's moving a lot quicker than I expected it to, so thank you for that. In this part what we're going to do is just add some finishing touches. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this bass comp because we've got a new bass here. And on the bass I'm going to add an R bass, and I want an R bass mono. And what I'm going to do is find out what frequency the bass is hitting at. Okay, so we don't have much in the way of... We have got some weight down there, but we could bring it out a little bit more. So I'm going to take the R bass and bring the frequency down to about 60. I'm going to bring the intensity right down. And bring it up just like we were doing with the volumes. So I'm just bringing the gain down to compensate a little bit for the added bass. What I'm going to do now is just going to add a little bit of something extra to this Rhodes, bring it out a little bit more. So I'm going to add some EQ. What I'm going to use is the Air EQ by Azzadous. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. And I'm just going to start off with a piano track, electric piano there. No, we'll go for acoustic piano. Just to get rough frequencies in. Now we've not got a lot of high end going on here. So we're just bringing out that little bit, really. Tweak the bass a little bit, the mids. bring it out a little bit. And what I'm going to do is add a little bit of delay to these secondary keys. So I'm just going to use we'll go for the replica, which is a Native Instruments plugin. I don't know if this is free anymore, but it was free for a limited time. I got an email a couple of years ago about it, so I'm not sure if it's free anymore, but it's a good little plugin. So I'm going to bring the mix quite far down. I don't want it too overpowering. Just so it fades out a little bit when it finishes. I'm going to bring the feedback up just a little bit. Maybe the mix up a little bit more. And then I'm going to add another EQ on top of this. Go for the Pro Q again. Just bringing out some more highs. Okay, so this saxophone at the top, I'm going to add some reverb, Arts Acoustic. We don't want too much. What I'm going to do is just bring the dry back up to 0 dB and bring the wet right down. Just want to give it a little bit of room. It sounds like it's not just a sample. So I'm going to go for, let's try large on the type. I'm going to bring the time design up, the decay up. A bit less. About right. I'll bring the room size up. I'm going to bring the damping on the low down. And it's just giving it a little bit more atmosphere. I think we can bring the volume back up on this. And now I'm going to add a compressor. I'm just going to go for the R compressor. This is a Waves plugin. I'm going to bring the ratio up quite Not too high, but maybe between 3 and 4. Okay, so I'm going to do the same on the Rhodes. I'm going to add another R compressor. I don't want too much compression on this. So I'm going to add a compressor onto this secondary keys, another R compressor. And then bring the volume back up a little bit. What I'm going to do is, on these keys, I'm going to take the replica and I'm going to group it. And then what I'm going to do is open the chains and I'm going to create another chain. So on one we've got the replica, let's rename that delay. And this one is dry. So then what I'm going to do with the dry signal is I'm going to take it to how we've got the pan in here. So we've got 20 to the left. So I'm going to take this to 20 to the left. And I'm going to reset the panning on the actual mixer to center. And then on this, what I'm going to do is send the delay 20 to the right. So it just gives it a bit more space. Sounds a little bit more stereo. And then finally what I'm going to do with this scratch effects is just add a compressor. I'm going to use the CLA 76. I'm just going to bring the release all the way up. Raise the input and drop the output a little bit. And then taking the volume back down. Last thing, I'm just going to double check the headroom we've got. So I'd say leave it between -3 and -6. I'm about -5.2, that's fine there. And for this track, that's it for my mixing stage. Next up's just to master it. So thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something from this quick mixing series. If you have, like and share. And please remember to subscribe and ring the bell to keep up to date with future videos. Thanks for watching.